Okay, so we're looking at the next part of discrete random variables. So again, discrete just means you can count them, or they're whole numbers, countable. Okay, so the next one is the expected value of the random variable x is the average. Okay, so the average we can also call the mean. So the expected value is the average is the mean. Okay, so let's have a look at how you calculate it. Come across when you're ready. Okay, so we've got a variable, the values of x are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the probabilities of each number are given. And again, like, you can just check, but all the numbers have to add to 1. You wouldn't be given this sort of question if the numbers didn't add to 1. Just close that down. So the expected value is 1 occurs with a probability of 2/5, so that's the first value. So the formula is just up above it. So you take the value x and you multiply by its probability plus the value of x times its probability plus. Okay, so you just take 1 times 2/5, and then we've got 2 times 1/10, 3 times 3/10, etc., etc., until you finish. So even though the values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the average value will be 2 and 2/5 because it changes. The values will depend. The average will depend on what the probabilities are for each value. If you have to get asked the mode, okay, so the mode is the score with the highest probability. So in these ones here, the highest probability is 2/5, so the mode is 1. The score that occurs the most is the one with the highest probability. Okay, you don't get asked to get the median for these ones. So come across. Oh, come on, click. Okay, so we've got a gambling game, but based on tossing 3 coins. Okay, at once. If the person gets no heads or 3 heads, they win $20 each. So it's plus 20s. And any other number loses 5. What should be charged to play the game if it's a fair game? So when you see this thing, a fair game, that means the expected return is 0. Okay. So I haven't put the probabilities in. So if you want to use a tree diagram, or you might know this, or you can pass Pascal's triangle, have a go, but these are pretty straightforward. So the 0 answer is 1/8, the 3 answer is 1/8, and these other ones are 3/8. And those numbers add to 1. You can get that from tree diagrams or Pascal's triangle. Okay, so the expected return will be 0 times 1/8 plus 1 times 3/8 plus 2 times 3/8 plus 3 times 1/8. So that's 0, 3, 6, and 3. Oh, so that's 8 there. 8. So 0, 3, 6, 3. So 3, 6, 12 eighths. 12 eighths equals $1.50. So that means that the expected return for the whole game is $1.50, and if it's a fair game, the expected return is 0. So the charge would be $1.50 per game, because that's what you get charged, and that's how much you win. Okay. Coming across the next page. Okay, there's exercise 10C, page 501. That's pretty straightforward. Okay, thanks, bye.